Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another DIY Danny video, and today I am going to set up the weed barrier on my newly constructed raised bed. Of course, I moved it out the way because I decided I needed to cut the grass. So I cut some of this grass here, because when I put this weed barrier there, I'm going to lay this as the base for the raised bed. Then I'm going to put the raised bed on top of it. Then I'm going to anchor it with the included spikes, as you saw in the last video. And then I am going to fill it in with some organic material. Okay. So, of course, I bought this one. I can't remember off the top of my head how much. It was very inexpensive, though. This is from Walmart. Expert Gardener. This is 3 feet by 50-foot roll. Okay, it's a weed barrier. Of course, you can pause it and read it there. So, of course, since this raised bed is 12 feet by 2 feet wide, it's already 3 feet wide. I'm not going to cut the width because I did want some overlap outside around the raised bed. So, being that it's 12 feet long, I'm going to cut about maybe, I'm going to give it about 14. I'm going to do like a 14-foot cut long. We're going to lay it out there. We're going to put this on top. Then we're going to secure it. So, of course, the fabric is 3 feet wide, actually. But in length, I cut it about 13.5 feet. So I can have a little overlap over here. And I'm going to show you this view. Then I'm going to go to the top. You have enough overlap there. Of course, this is the top view. Okay, so like I said, I got a little overlap here. That's what I wanted. Okay, since it's 13, excuse me, not 13, 3 feet wide, the fabric. So plenty overlap there. So now it's good to go. Now I can start filling in. Of course, I need to anchor the, right there, the corner. You can see it there. Let me zoom in, sorry. It's right there. I need to anchor those spikes there on each corner to secure this. And then we're going to start filling it in. Okay, so that's how you put the fabric on the raised bed. And that just prevents weeds from coming up here. Of course, when you fill in organic material, it varies. Some people, depending on how deep the raised bed is or how I've seen people put cardboard on this. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to put in there is grass clippings for the base, because I can, if I were to buy all the soil to fill this up, it'll cost quite a bit. But I got plenty of organic material, dead leaves, twigs, grass clippings. I'm going to put all that in there, fill it in at least about maybe halfway up. And then the rest of it, I'll top it off with, we go buy a local place, we go buy some garden soil. Eventually, I want to set up a system where I'm going to do composting also, but that's a future video, a future project. But for now, this is it. Okay, got the fabric. So the next video, I'm going to start filling this in, and you're going to see what kind of initial filler I put in there. Okay, so if you like videos like this, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. But if you want to watch more videos like this, content like this, and you like it, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.